Hello friends and welcome back. Today we are talking balance. How do you balance everything in your life? Here are a few tips to help you balance your life. Take a moment today and get a notebook. Really take a deep look at the areas of your life being authentic to yourself through this process. Are areas of your life that need improving, areas that you've made no time for, areas that are flourishing more than others? This authentic evaluation of your life is the blueprint to finding balance. Now you are able to set goals for areas you need to improve. Simple things such as time alone, changing your environment, maybe even changing some of the people you are around can make a huge difference. Remember, it's your life. It's okay to say no. You are the priority. Prioritize yourself. Now on to the food. Today I am making a seafood pasta that I cooked for Valentine's Day. I start with 2 different kinds of Alfredo sauce. Use your own favorite sauce. It took about 2 jars of each for me. Empty all the sauce in your pot and heat on very low. Use very low heat because we are cooking seafood, and who likes seafood overcooked? Not me. Next, wash your seafood. I use shrimp that are raw, peeled and deveined. Clean your lobster tails as well. They can be really dirty, so really get in there. Split the back of shell and clean the vein or poop out. Yuck. Detach all the meat and rinse clean in cold water. I squeeze lemon juice on my tails too after rinsing. Slice the tails in half and set aside. Melt 2 sticks of butter on low. Add 1 to 2 garlic cloves in butter. Season the butter to your liking. When you are ready to cook your lobster tails, turn your butter to medium heat. It will begin to boil. Add your lobster tails, cover pot and remove from heat. Set aside until ready for use. Now it's time for the shrimp. Heat a cast iron skillet to medium-high heat. Add oil and butter to skillet. Add your seasoned shrimp. I season my shrimp more once in the pan. Be careful not to overcook your shrimp. Cover and set aside until ready for use. Now back to the sauce. This sauce is loaded with seafood. Add 3 cups of clam meat. Let cook out heat 5 minutes. Now add your lump crab meat. I added about 3 cans of lump crab meat. Next add your blanched peas. Let cook medium heat another 5 minutes. While this is finishing up, I hope you have your garlic bread in the oven. Don't forget to season your pasta water too. I used fettuccine noodles today. Place your shrimp and lobster tails on top of your pasta. Yes, it's so delicious. Hope you enjoyed the video today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe.